Swippitt was founded by Padraig Connolly. He serves as the company's founder and CEO. He is based in Galway, Ireland, and the company was inspired by the country's creative and problem-solving traditions. Swippitt is a first-of-its-kind instant power system, built for a world that never slows down. The Swippitt Link keeps your phone charged with its 3,500 mAh battery, and the Swippitt Hub swaps it for a fresh one in just 2 seconds. No more waiting or delaying. Just instant access to power whenever you need it. It may look like a toaster, but Swippitt is actually a device that will charge your iPhone faster in seconds by swapping out a battery in a protective smartphone case. The dock costs $450, the case costs $120. And pre-orders are available now, shipping later this year.